puppy dog. She sees another dog way in the distance walking away. She's just sitting here crying. She's so sad. Oh, this is the first day we could see anything in the sky. I'm so happy. Hopefully she'll sit there for a minute and let me film so I can take a peek. There was just a giant crow at the tip of that tree. Another one on the ground. I just missed it. It was huge. I mean, the biggest crow I have ever seen. It's ginormous. I thought it was a hawk at first. Oh, there she goes. Come on, girl. Oh, there is some cool stuff up there. Hello. Oh, girl. She's pulling me. Oh. I have to see what's going on around the sun. The other side of the house. Oh, sorry. I'm so sorry. Okay. Oh, I hear the crow. I don't know where he is.